balas natin, Mari.
Hello, Joe. How you doing there?
Just filling out the cheese,
Then,
and then you put it on the, what do you call that,
Mold.
Lazada?
then.
The mold.
What's that? What's that?
The puto-puto?
Ah, photo. That's,
the puto-puto.
that's photo ba?
It's down the mold.
Who are you? You're chef. Yung chef.
Letter F.
You're chef, ha? Ito ang assistant. Wow, chef. Kim Chansung.
Ikaw ba yan?
Kim Chansung. Kim Chansung.
Oh, wala ka na bang ano? Ibang alam?
Awan. Hello. Uric acid.
Okay na ba? Ayan, seryoso yan pag ano eh. Seryoso yan sa cheese niyan.
Then one next. What next?
Nakawa ka na kanina pa kung duko sa duko.
Wow, delicious. Yeah.
Ibang kalahati na yung gusto ko.
This is the chart of the penance of the points.
Wow! Na-freeze mo na ba sa akin? Ano, script ko?
Cryoprotectant.
Cryoprotectant, that's right! Ang galing!
At, nagtampo sa akin. Walang take out, ma'am. Di wala kayo na lang. Wala, kung maro mo lang sa pagbagsit mo, wala ka.
Ilalagay rin yan, ma'am, sa puto.